Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a fascinating word that's all around us, literally. Our word of the day is atmosphere. It's a B1 level noun that means the air or feeling in a place. Now, let's break it down and see how we can bring this word into our daily lives. So, what exactly is atmosphere? On one hand, it refers to the layer of air that surrounds our planet. But more often, we use it to describe the overall mood or vibe of a place. For example, you might say, the coffee shop has a cozy atmosphere, meaning it feels warm, inviting, and comfortable. Let's look at some synonyms for atmosphere to broaden our understanding. Words like ambience, mood, and environment often carry a similar meaning. For instance, the candlelight created a romantic ambience during the dinner, or the holiday decorations gave the office a cheerful mood. Now, let's explore a few antonyms. These are words like dullness, emptiness, or sterility, which highlight a lack of feeling or character in a space. For example, you could say, the abandoned building had an eerie emptiness, or the plain design gave the room a sterile feeling. How does atmosphere come into play in everyday life? Imagine you're planning a party. You might focus on creating a festive atmosphere by choosing the right music, lighting, and decorations. Or think about walking into a restaurant. The atmosphere can completely shape your experience, whether it's elegant, lively, or relaxing. Here are a few more examples to help you use atmosphere in sentences. The teacher worked hard to create a positive atmosphere in the classroom. The movie's suspenseful music added to the eerie atmosphere of the scene. The city's lively atmosphere made it a great place to visit during the holidays. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review. Atmosphere can describe the literal air around us or the mood of a place. It's a word that adds depth to our descriptions and helps us capture the essence of an environment. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Can you create a sentence using atmosphere? Share it in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.